What's up, Forex lovers? In this video, we're going to be talking about currency pairs. Let's go right into it.
In Forex trading, currencies are traded in pairs. For example, Euro/USD. So we can say the Euro is the base currency while the USD is the quote currency. Or we can also say one is a buy and one is a sell. So once you are buying one, you are selling the other. The transaction process is explained as follows. A trader analyzes the forex market using either technical analysis, fundamental analysis, or economic data to predetermine that the euro will rise in price and the US dollar will fall in price. The trader therefore quickly buys the euro and sells the US dollars at the same time. So you can see both things are going on. Either you're buying then you're selling, or you're selling and you're buying. So it's either way. We assume that eventually the prediction of the trader came to pass. The euro rose in price and the US dollar fell in price as predicted. The distance between the original price before the trade and the current price will be calculated to ascertain the profit of the trader. So that's how you make your own money, based on the difference in price.
Hey, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do. What are you waiting for? Just click the red button underneath the video.